Here are the three stains that I'm using. This one here, it's kind of like has a light green color. I water this 1 part stain, 3 parts water, apply it to the floor. And the next step is here's black. I use 3 parts water, 2 parts stain, and then this I apply with a sprayer undiluted. It looks like black, but it's really just a dark red. It's called terracotta clay. It's called black. So now on this floor, let's have a look at this floor, and we'll see what I'm doing with the finish it off and touch it up. So here I've got these white spots, or spots that are kind of yellow, where I want a darker color, like right in here. And if I applied more of the black stain, watered down with half water, I got what you see over here. This is black. This is too dark. What I'm looking for is a non-uniform look, mixed color, and various shades of red with some black here and there kind of thing. Look over here against the wall there. Let's go take a closer look at that. I applied the red stain, just let it pool overnight. And you get kind of a flat look on it. It looks a matte look, kind of burns into the concrete. And it's very uniform, so I didn't want to do that. Well, then if you go out here, and so what I did was I put down what they call toasted almond, this light green stuff. Right in here, I'm getting the look I want. It's like right in here. This stuff right in here. This is good here. A little bit of yellow there, so maybe I'll touch it up. So all these other white spots, or lighter colored spots I should say, I'm going to put that toasted almond down undiluted and let it soak. Let it soak in. And I should darken the color and not to get too much black in it, anything like that.